Hi guys, Ollie from Ellis here. What I'm about to show you is truly something special. Originally built in 1875 and then named the vicarage, this property behind me sits in between the two popular towns of Ferrestone over there and Draycott over there. It's gone through a few different owners and is now known as Ferrestone House. This truly is a once in a lifetime opportunity to purchase. Let's come take a look. So as you can see, the property benefits from being completely surrounded in enclosed gardens that benefit from sun all day long and obviously the wonderful countryside. So, stepping through into the property, on your left you're greeted with a pantry, utility kitchen space that leads through into a sort of dining and breakfast room. Into the hallway we're greeted by 3 reception rooms to the rear of the property that all have great views onto the garden. So, coming onto the landing, you're immediately greeted with stairs that lead up to the attic room, a family bathroom and 4 generously sized bedrooms, all with views out onto the land that this property offers. So as you can see behind me, we have the original stables, which can be used for a variety of different applications. For those who enjoy sitting outside in the summer months, there's also a summer house as well. So that concludes this video tour. If you'd like to see more properties like this or any sort of budget, please drop us a like on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more stuff like this. Thanks, bye bye.